Installation instructions for your FAAC 950BM slide arm door opener. First, you need to position the template on top of the door frame on the hinge side. Using that template, carefully mark where the holes are to be drilled. Then place the operator over the marks just to double check. Drill the mounting holes for the operator. Now mount your FAAC 950BM operator, making sure that all bolts are secure and your operator is firmly attached to the wall. Now you need to determine which of the 3 modular extensions will clear the door so that the slide arm end fits comfortably inside of the slide rail. Determine travel distance of arm on the door between the open and the closed position. Mount the slide rail on the top of the door securely using the hardware provided. Manually check for a smooth and clear travel motion without any snags or rubbing. On the top part of the operator, you can now adjust and set your open and close limits. Make sure that all bolts are securely tightened. Now you can set the desired operational specs on your operator following the instructions on pages 10, 11, and 16. Connect and set any peripherals such as safety devices and access control systems. You can now test, cover, and start using your FAAC 950BM door opener. Thank you for watching this training video, and until the next time.